Happy Monday, everyone. Best time of the week. And it's right before Christmas. We're getting a nice Christmas rally. We're like $26 off of the high, which was 69.01. Everything is trending up. Gold's trending up. It just hit new time highs. Platinum's trending up. The S&P's trending up. Oil's even trending up. I wouldn't trust oil though. And I think it's a quick blip because of the whole Venezuela trade thing. So I wouldn't trust that. What I would trust though is your own gut instinct. The only thing that's not trending up right now is the VIX. The VIX is moving to its critical levels. It really bounces off around 1421. This morning I placed a long position in the VIX. I think for a year-end close, the VIX returns. I was watching a lot of mispricing this morning on the VIX for the options. So I am bullish on the VIX. I think we end the year out at a positive. We have a nice little Christmas rally and a slight pullback going into January as we price in the next Fed meeting. Next Fed meeting is in January, end of January. One of the Fed members this morning was saying that they don't know if he's going to vote for a 25 or 50% basis cut reduction in January. But he did say that taxpayers, U.S. citizens, should expect some form of stimulus in their tax rebate check. Okay, so I would say that's probably bullish because when people get any form of stimulus, if they use the word stimulus is because it's meant to stimulate the economy. All of that money eventually, as it's sent out into the population, it eventually just makes its way into the Mag 7, the S&P. We just keep going higher and higher and higher as people spend more and more money. That's why it's called stimulus, is because it stimulates the economy. $1 becomes $3, becomes $6. You add inflation and margin on it, and it's like 23. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. And that's it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the new year. For New Year's trading strategy, what I've really been focusing on is the second layer of options. And so I'm going to be talking a lot more about that. Also, I'm looking at negative gamma squeezes as being my bullish 2026. And I'll tell you why. I was looking at a negative gamma of IREN last week at a 25 strike. And today I think it's at like 43. It was just printing. Okay, I wish I opened more contracts. I didn't. It was just kind of a test to see how it would go. I have to now think of a hedge way out of that. But that's it. So I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you again soon.